In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put 5 apps on the bottom of your iPhone. Now, if you've been using an iPhone for a while, you might already know that the dock at the bottom typically limits you to just 4 apps. But what if I told you there's a simple trick to squeeze in more? Here's how you can do it in just a few minutes. First, let's tackle the default setup. The dock at the bottom of your iPhone screen is a handy feature designed to give you quick access to some of your most used apps. By default, it accommodates 4 apps. However, with a bit of maneuvering, you can actually fit more by using a little known feature, folders. To begin, start by long pressing one of your apps that isn't already down in the dock. From the wiggle mode or home screen editing mode, drag that selected app into the dock. If there's already something there, make sure to swap it out as you see fit. You can repeat this process until you have 4 individual apps arranged neatly in the dock. Now that you have an understanding of the dock's capacity, let's create some additional space using folders. On your home screen, choose 2 apps that you'd like to bundle together, tap and hold one of those apps until they start wiggling, then drag one app over the other. When you release it, a new folder will be created containing both apps. You can add more apps to this folder by simply dragging them over the folder you've just made. Feel free to rename the folder to whatever you find most suiting. Once your folder is created and ready, it's time to add it to the dock. Again, tap and hold the folder, dragging it to the dock till it fits snugly into place as your 4th item. Remember, this item is not just any app, it's a collection of apps, making it a powerhouse of accessibility. Finally, to access the apps in the docked folder, simply tap to open it. Instantly, you'll have access to not just 5 apps, but potentially many more, all within the swipe of a finger. This feature really elevates the utility of the dock beyond its apparent limits, providing versatility and efficiency. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to maximize the space on your iPhone's dock. This small adjustment can make your daily use more streamlined and efficient, offering quick access to multiple apps at a glance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to try it out right away. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep exploring your iPhone's potential with these nifty tweaks.